What's shaking, team? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG, back with another one on that ass. Just a quick installment. About to drop in this Megan Strut racing bar that I polished off. Looking fresh, got everything lined up, ball holes, everything good. Let's go and install it. Real quick, all we're doing is taking off the 3 bolts off the strut mount, both sides. Once we do that, slap the brackets on. Once we slap the brackets on, slap the bar in, put the excess bolts in, and we're good. Let's go. Okay, team, took the bolts off. It's 3 14mm bolts that's gonna come off. Now that you have the bolts off, all we're gonna do is replace where the bolts was at with the bracket. Line it up, line it up. This is in the way slightly, but everything will line up. Boom, boom, boom. This right here, push that down to the side, and once we put the bolt on this side, it'll tie that down. So let's just thread everything by hand really quick, just so we know we're not cross-threading any bolts, just trying to just put the impact on here and go, go, go. There we go. That feels good. Tighten it down. Oh, there we go. Yes, we work on this. Alright, so now we lock down all the bolts. Everything is nice and in order, good to go. That's one bracket down. Let's go get the other side now. Oh, I love my impact. Yeah, team, you see it coming together. The only modification I think I'm gonna have to do with this Megan strut bar is I don't like how it's sitting against my clutch reservoir. So what I might end up doing is seeing if soon, probably in a couple days, the next nice day, if I can't take this bracket and just move it over a notch, so now I can bend it down a little bit more, so this can sit just a little bit lower, maybe like an inch and a half, so it'll have better clearance. I don't like that it's touching the cap. So we'll see too as far as clearance with the hood, see how that lines up, if that's having an effect, which it might, but I'm gonna tighten it down and see what's going on right now. If I need to make the adjustment, we'll definitely do that ASAP. But yeah, team, so that's the Megan racing strut bar installed. Like I said, it should definitely help with the handling, reduce like body roll. Should definitely help with the flexing of both the left and right struts. You know, so as of right now, let's go take it for a drive and see how it feels, and let's see how this clearance is with the hood. Got the hood closed, no problem, so it's looking like it's a go, but definitely see what's going on, see what it looks like. Everything's looking good for right now though. So let's go, team. You already know your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment. Definitely hit that subscribe button. You already know. Let's go. Views VQ, team.